Story: The Magical Pot. Once upon a time, a poor farmer named Ratan lived in a village called Rampur. He had a piece of land which was barren. He would work hard to till the land and make it fertile. Even after working hard and digging throughout the day, he would get stones and rocks and not soil from his land. One day while he was digging his land,
Oh God, I have been continuously digging my rocky land, but it has turned into a never-ending exercise for me.
after digging for some more time, he gets to hear a sound. Whenever he used his spade to dig his land, again he would get the same sound.
Oh, what is this? It looks like a brass pot. Let me dig properly.
Saying this, he starts digging again. After some time, he gets to see a broken brass pot.
Oh no, looks like a broken pot. Had it been a pot full of wealth, it would have been so interesting. Oh my God, am I so unlucky to receive nothing in my life? Will I only keep putting my hard work throughout my life?
He says these words and further says,
I'm having a stomach ache due to hunger. Why not pluck some pomegranates and eat?
He plucks some pomegranates from a nearby tree and eats them. Then keeps the leftover pomegranates in the brass pot. Then he takes rest for some time. After a while, when he gets up, he sees that the brass pot is completely filled with pomegranates. Then he takes out all the pomegranates from the pot and puts 2 to 3 back in it. After a while, the pot again gets filled with pomegranates. Then he takes the pot to his house and says to Gomti,
Please close the door quickly.
Why should I close the door?
Stop arguing with me and quickly close the door.
Gomti closes the door.
Here, have these pomegranates.
Are you crazy or what? We don't have enough food to eat, except one potato and tomato each. And you have got pomegranates instead of food grains?
Now we will not have any shortage of any item at home. Just go and get that potato and tomato. Then you will understand what I am saying.
I'm not sure what has happened to him.
Ratan takes out pomegranates from the pot and keeps them separately. Meanwhile, Gomti gets potato and tomato.
Take it.
Don't give it to me, but put it in the pot.
What will happen if I do that?
Hey, stop asking questions. Please do as I say.
Gomti puts 1 potato and tomato each in the pot, and immediately the pot gets filled with potatoes and tomatoes.
Oh God, what's happening? I can't believe on my eyes. This pot has got filled with so many potatoes and tomatoes.
So now finally you have understood.
God has finally listened to us. God has been really so kind.
Okay, now listen, Gomti. Don't speak to anyone about it. Now this pot will help us to come out of our bad times.
The saying is true indeed. When Almighty pours its heart, you get in abundance. Thank you, God. Tomorrow I'll visit the temple and offer coconut.
Yes, why not? But please prepare some food for now. I'm really very hungry.
Okay. You please freshen up. I'll go and prepare some food.
While eating food, Ratan says,
Gomti, we do not need a lot of potatoes and tomatoes. I'm just thinking that I should go and sell it in the market.
Yes, definitely. You are right. We do not need much of these. We can't even store it for a long time. It will get spoiled. That's why selling would be the right step.
Now you see, Gomti, we will not face any problems in life.
he goes to the vegetable market with a sack full of potatoes, tomatoes and pomegranates. He talks to Billu, the fruit seller.
Hey, you have so much variety of fruits in your shop.
What do you want, you please tell me?
No, today, actually I'm here to give you something and not take anything. I'm here to sell potatoes, tomatoes and pomegranate.
Wow, really good to know. I thought your barren land does not produce anything. So from where did you get this stuff?
Don't rack your brains as to where I got these from. Just let me know if you want to buy or not. Otherwise, I'll go to someone else.
No. What are you saying? Give it to me. Come, give it to me.
Ratan takes out potatoes, tomatoes, and pomegranates from his sack and gives it to him. He takes money in return and leaves from there.
After a very long time, I've got some money. I think I should buy a brand new shirt, as I'm wearing this for a very long time.
At home, Gomti was sharing her struggles in front of the brass pot.
Due to shortage of money, I had to sell all my jewelry of marriage. Now I have only one remaining with me. But after this, I will become a queen.
After stating this, she puts her Mangal Sutra inside the pot. The pot immediately gets filled with jewelry.
Oh God! So much jewelry! I haven't seen this much jewelry even in my dreams.
Gomti is really elated to see so much jewelry. She wears all the jewelry while Ratan reaches home.
Hello, Gomti. Why is the door closed? Hey, listen. Where are you?
Yes, I'm coming.
Gomti opens the door and after looking at her, Ratan says,
Oh God, I cannot believe my own eyes. From where did you manage to get so much jewelry?
Now I am no more a poor Gomti. I have become a queen, you know. When Almighty has given us a magical pot, then why should we stay poor anymore?
No, Gomti. Do not be childish. Current times are not good. If someone gets to know, we will be in a lot of problem.
Okay, it's fine. What is there in your hand? What have you got?
I've got a shirt for myself.
You did the right thing. You don't have any shirt except one, which is also old. Now give it to me.
Ratan gives his shirt and Gomti puts it in the pot. And then the pot gets filled with shirts.
Hey, what are you doing?
Listen, I will keep 10 shirts for you. Rest all, you go and sell it in the same shop from where you bought it.
Next day, Ratan goes to Hira's shop and sells all the shirts. Hira is really surprised. After Ratan leaves, he starts to think a lot.
This is very surprising. Yesterday he bought one shirt and today he got 90 similar type of shirts.
Billu the fruit seller overhears Hira while he was passing by. He inquires,
What happened, friend? Who are you referring to?
I am talking about Ratan. Did he open a cloth factory? Yesterday he bought one shirt and today he got many similar type of shirts.
Is Ratan Farmer also selling shirts? Very surprising. Do you know? Yesterday he came and sold a sack full of potatoes, tomatoes and pomegranates.
Are you serious? A person whose barren land has not produced anything. How could he manage to sell so much vegetables and fruits? This is really surprising.
Definitely something is fishy. We will have to keep a watch on Ratan.
Here, Ratan and Gomti are having a conversation at night.
Tomorrow I will do a business with eggs from this pot. I will put one egg and will get 500 eggs in return. We will make a very good profit.
While they were discussing, Billu the fruit seller and Hira the cloth merchant overhear their conversation.
Okay. Now we know the truth. Come on, Hira. Let's inform our village head tomorrow.
Yes, you're right. How can this poor fellow become rich in front of our eyes? We definitely can't let this happen.
Next day, both of them go and inform the village head about it.
Now you suggest what should we do with Ratan?
What is to be done? Let's get Ratan here along with his pot. Bolu, go and get Ratan right away.
As you wish, sir. Village head has called for you.
Why has he called me, brother?
Once you go, you will get to know everything. First, get your magical pot.
How does the village head know about the magical pot?
So, this is your magical pot. I have heard a lot about its magical powers. Let me see how it works. Saying this, the village head keeps the pot on his head. As soon as he keeps it, one after another, his clones start coming out of the pot.
Oh God! Which of them is the real village head?
Then all the clones speak together. I am the real one. I am the real one. Looking at the situation, Ratan slips out from there and takes the pot and reaches home. He goes to his backyard and throws the pot in the well, and he is highly relieved. He finally thinks that one should treat the trouble at source to avoid a bigger or more difficult mess.